Good day, friends. In this series, we will explore Serbia and discover all the places you can visit. We will explore Serbia's natural beauty, be your guides, show you the most scenic roads for driving, discover the wonders Serbia has to offer, and reveal interesting facts that come from Serbia that you may not have known about. We already have some videos on the channel, but they are in Serbian, so we've decided to start from the beginning. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe, give us a like, and join us on this journey. We do this for you out of our love for nature and our passion for driving. Some roads take you somewhere, others and take you back to yourself. This one leads to Jastrebac, Serbia's most forested mountain, a place the world forgot, and that's exactly why we love it. 25 kilometers from Kruševac, 2 hours from Belgrade, 3 from Novi Sad. But the moment you hit those curves through the birch trees, you stop counting kilometers, you start breathing. The air changes, the noise disappears, just your engine, the wind and ancient forest closing in around you. Welcome to Jastrebac Lake Resort. Jastrebac isn't Kopaonik, it isn't Tara. It's something rarer, untouched. The highest peak, Velika Đulića, rises to 1,491 meters. Dense beech forests give way to pine at elevation. And the symbol of this mountain, the white birch, so rare, so striking, the Serbian government put it under legal protection. This is a mountain that earned its respect. At the heart of the resort, the lake, crystal clear, surrounded by green, fed by the Jastrebac River, clean enough that wild trout and river crayfish still swim freely here. You can swim in summer, you can just sit and remember what quiet sounds like. 2 mountain lodges, Hotel Trail and Hotel Adila, sit right on the water's edge. This is your base camp. Think this place is just for resting? Think again. Mountain biking. Jastrebac is called one of the best MTB destinations in Europe. The legendary Jastrebacki Trugao Trail Network covers the whole massif, long season from March to November, terrain for every level of rider. Adventure park, zip line across the lake, climbing walls certified for international competition, high ropes at 2 levels of intensity, hiking trails, to Belistena, 1,257 meters. Stracimira, 1,390 meters. Maznais, 1,140 meters, all the way to natural springs, waterfalls hidden in the forest in the ancient church of Sveta Petka. Medieval fortress Gradac, because a history doesn't need a museum when it's carved into the hillside. Ski lift in winter, 300 meters of slope. Small, yes, but it's there. When the birches go white, mini golf, outdoor gym, basketball, football, for when the trails have worn you out just enough. Some destinations are beautiful on a map. Jastrebac is beautiful in your chest. The kind of place where you park the bike, take off the helmet, and just stand there for a moment, listening to nothing but wind through white birches, and you think, how did I not know about this place? Jastrebac Lake Resort, central Serbia, near Kruševac, between Niš and Belgrade, between the life you live and the one you need. The road is waiting, the mountain is patient. Come ride,